Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup dumplings halal. First, ensure all your ingredients, especially the meat and any gelatin, are certified halal. You'll need a rich, flavorful broth as the base for the soup inside the dumpling. Consider using chicken or beef bones for a deep umami taste. This foundational step is crucial for both flavor and adherence to dietary guidelines. Next, let's prepare the key components. Simmer halal chicken or beef bones with ginger, green onions, and other aromatics for at least 1.5 hours to create a deeply flavorful broth. Strain the broth, then chill it overnight in a shallow container until it solidifies into a firm jelly. For the filling, combine your choice of ground halal meat, such as lamb, chicken, or beef, with minced garlic, ginger, and your preferred seasonings. Now for the exciting part, assembly. Take your firm broth jelly and cut it into small, 1/4 inch cubes. These will melt into the delicious soup inside your dumplings. Place a store-bought or homemade dumpling wrapper on your palm. Add a spoonful of the seasoned halal meat filling, then top it with one of the broth jelly cubes. Carefully pleat and pinch the edges of the wrapper to create a sealed, beautiful dumpling. Finally, it's time to cook and enjoy your halal soup dumplings. Line a bamboo steamer with baking paper and arrange the dumplings, ensuring they have a bit of space between them. Steam them over boiling water for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the wrappers become translucent and the filling is cooked through. Serve these juicy dumplings immediately with a classic dipping sauce of black vinegar and julienne ginger. Remember to check the description for the Echo Dot smart speaker link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.